How to backup Chrome bookmarks, history, passwords, data. Chrome is a popular web browser that lets you store various data such as bookmarks, history, passwords, and more. If you want to backup your Chrome data, you have a few options to do so. Here are some methods that you can use to backup Chrome bookmarks, history, passwords, and data. ## use Chrome Sync. The easiest and most convenient way to backup your Chrome data is to use Chrome Sync. This feature allows you to sync your data across multiple devices using your Google account. You can choose which data you want to sync, such as bookmarks, history, passwords, extensions, settings, etc. To use Chrome Sync, follow these steps. Open Chrome and click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the browser window. Click on Turn on Sync and sign in with your Google account. You may need to verify your identity. Click on Settings and then click on Manage what you sync. You can either choose Sync Everything or Customize Sync and select the data you want to sync. Click on Confirm and your data will be synced with your Google account. You can access your sync data from any device by signing into Chrome with the same Google account. You can also manage your sync data from g.co/chrome/sync. ## export. Bookmarks and passwords. Another way to backup your Chrome data is to export your bookmarks and passwords to HTML or CSV files. This method is useful if you want to have an offline backup of your data or import it to another browser. To export your bookmarks and passwords, follow these steps. Open Chrome and click on the three-dot menu button at the top right corner of the browser window. Go to Bookmarks Bookmark Manager. Click on the three-dot menu button at the top right corner of the Bookmark Manager page. Choose Export Bookmarks and select a location to save the HTML file containing your bookmarks. Go back to the main Chrome menu and click on Settings. Click on Passwords under Autofill. Click on the three-dot menu button next to Save Passwords. Choose Export Passwords and select a location to save a CSV file containing your passwords. You can open the HTML file with any browser or text editor to view your bookmarks. You can open the CSV file with any spreadsheet program or text editor to view your password superscript 3. ## copy the files that store the bookmarks and passwords. A third way to backup your Chrome data is to copy the files that store the bookmarks and passwords from your computer. This method is more advanced and requires you to locate the files in your system folders. To copy the files that store the bookmarks and passwords, follow these steps. Close Chrome if it is running. Open File Explorer and go to C/users/ your username /appdata /local /google /chrome /user data /default. Copy the files named bookmarks. And log in data and paste them to another location of your choice. You can restore these files by copying them back to the same folder if you need to.